Getting into drone flying doesn't have to cost a fortune, but finding a budget-friendly model that actually performs well can be a challenge. The good news is, in 2025, budget drones have come a long way, offering surprisingly advanced features like GPS stabilization, HD cameras, and intuitive controls at wallet-friendly prices. In this video, we're breaking down the best budget drones of the year to help you find one that delivers both value and reliability. We've reviewed each model based on flight stability, camera performance, ease of use, battery life, and overall build quality. Stick around as we explore the top budget drones that prove you don't need to spend big to fly smart. Number 8 in my list is DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo Drone. The DJI Avata was already our favorite first-person drone, and the sequel only makes it better. If you're looking for a forgiving route into the immersive world of FPV flight, we think the Avata 2 is a top choice. We found it intuitive to fly in our review, with the addition of an easy ACRO mode, making aerial maneuvers more accessible for beginners. The updated Motion Controller 3 is both simple to operate and precise enough for indoor flight, although experienced users will prefer the optional DJI Remote Controller 3 for fully manual flight. The Avata 2 is longer, flatter, and more aerodynamic than before. This helps it to achieve longer flight times of up to 23 minutes, and also makes it quieter than the original Avata. Thanks to an enhanced 1/1 3-inch CMOS sensor and 10-bit D-Log-M support, we were able to shoot higher quality 4K 60 frames per second footage, with improved dynamic range, revealing more detail in the shadows. Footage streamed to the upgraded DJI Goggles 3 also proved crisp, courtesy of a new video transmission system that makes it easier to spot potential obstacles. Top present in my list is Ryze Tech Tello Mini Drone. Simple, lightweight, and affordable, the Ryze Tello is a fun drone for first-time flyers. Despite its budget price tag, the Tello offers plenty. The battery delivered a reasonable 13 minutes of flight time in testing, while downward-facing light sensors allow the Tello to hover in place and perform a handful of automated tricks. Our review found image quality from the nose-mounted 5MP camera less impressive, with limited dynamic range and noticeable compression when streaming 720p HD video to your smartphone. That said, we found the app refreshingly simple. It's a straightforward way to pilot the Tello, with an on-screen twin-stick setup that's rewardingly responsive. The theoretical range is 100 meters, but 30 to 40 meters is more realistic, which, given how even the slightest breeze can blow the 80-gram Tello off course, is no bad thing. On a calm day, it's an enjoyable drone to fly, zipping along at a decent rate and reacting nimbly to inputs. The limited range is somewhat restrictive, but provided you don't mind choppy video, it's still the best starter drone around. Number 6 in my list is DJI Mavic 3 Classic Drone. Technically a step down from the Mavic 3, the Classic forgoes the telephoto camera of its pricier sibling. While it's not a budget choice, this simplified setup makes the Classic a more cost-effective option for videographers. It retains the excellent 4x3 main sensor, which we think is the best camera available on a folding drone. Though this isn't a beginner drone, we found in testing that collision avoidance, subject tracking, and automated quick shots made the Classic easy to pilot with confidence, even if real-world battery life proved shorter than the claimed 46 minutes. You don't get the 1 TB SSD or Apple Pro recording of the Sign Edition, but we think its ability to capture 5.1K video in normal, HLG, and 10-bit profiles will be plenty for most videographers. And thanks to the larger sensor, noise handling is fantastic across the full ISO range. You also get all of the flight and safety features of the original Mavic 3 models. If you're fine with a 1-inch sensor, the DJI Air3S is more affordable. But if you want the best image quality from a foldable drone, the Mavic 3 Classic is the best choice. Number 5 in my list is X1 Pro 4K Action Drone. Hover Air invented a new kind of drone that has resonated with content creators in particular, a selfie drone. Its latest model, the X1 Pro, is like a supercharged selfie stick, which takes off and lands from the palm of your hand, complete with supremely clever automated subject tracking that keeps you in the center of the action. The tiny X1 Pro comes into its own for getting you aerial footage of your adventures, be it tracking you on a bike ride or chilling at the beach. You don't need any experience. Seriously, you can be airborne in seconds, while propeller guards make it a safe drone to fly in close proximity. The X1 Pro upgrades the Hover Air X1 with a sturdier flight experience, a higher wind resistance, a much better battery life, plus higher resolution 4K video. Naturally, it's heavier, but still super lightweight at 191.5 grams, which means it's restriction-free and ideal for beginners. DJI has since launched its own selfie drone, the DJI Neo, which could be the better pick if you can live without the X1 Pro's robustness and 4K video specs. Plus, it offers more flight control options and it costs less. However, the X1 Pro's image quality and automated flight fun makes it our top pick for aerial selfies. Number 4 in my list is DJI Air3S Fly More Combo Drone. Clearly sitting between the Mini series and Mavic Pro series of DJI drones is the Air series, and the latest model is the Air3S. Novices will find a sub-250-gram model like the Mini4 more manageable than the Air3S, but you can enjoy much better wind resistance with the larger model, plus a generous 45-minute flight time. We also think beginners will get to grips quickly with the Air3S's easy interface and safety features such as obstacle avoidance. As a drone with 724-gram takeoff weight, the Air3S is placed in Europe's C1 category, and that comes with flight restrictions, meaning you need to keep a greater distance from people and animals and events to be safe and legal. However, you can still get close to the action thanks to the Air3S's 3x telephoto lens with 70 mm approx. focal length. Like the Air3, the Air3S is a dual camera drone and the main camera is improved with a much larger 1-inch sensor to the 1 by 1.3-inch sensor of the Air3. That means better image quality in challenging light, especially at nighttime. You also get obstacle sensing with LiDAR, which performs better at night, plus more built-in memory to store your 4K videos and up to 50 MP photos. Number 3 in my list is DJI Mini4 Pro drone. The Mavic 4 Pro upgrades the Mavic 3 Pro with a refined triple camera unit and a redesigned gimbal, which provides the most versatile range of motion we've experienced yet. 160 degrees of tilt, 90-degree rotation for vertical shooting, plus a 360-degree range of movement on the roll axis. What DJI calls an infinity gimbal. The fact that the Mavic 3 Pro won Best Camera Product of the Year in the Tech Radar Choice Awards 2023, and the Mavic 4 Pro is even better, says it all. The Mavic Pro line is the only consumer drone to feature 3 cameras, ideal for aerial photography and filmmakers who need the most versatile drone on the market. The Mavic 4 Pro's main camera is pretty much the same one used by the Mavic 3 Classic, but with an improved 25 MP Micro Four Thirds sensor for the best image quality of the 3 cameras, together with an adjustable aperture, pro-tier video format and frame rates. If you need the extra reach from the main 28 mm focal length of this camera, both 3x and 7x telephoto cameras produce excellent images too. Put simply, the Mavic 4 Pro is the best camera drone we've tested to date. It is also incredibly easy to fly even in windy conditions and accessible to all users, thanks to its excellent safety features and intuitive controls, which now includes LiDAR object sensing, as debuted in the Air3S, plus improved 51 minutes battery life. The result is a heavier drone in the restricted C2 European drone category, and a pricier drone that makes it overkill for beginners, even if it's a more portable and less expensive option for pros than the Inspire 3. At launch, the Mavic 4 Pro isn't available in the US, which means the Mavic 3 Pro remains the best camera drone for US pilots. Number 2 in my list is DJI Mini4K drone. First-time buyers can't go wrong with the Mini4K. It is the best budget drone you can buy at under $300. It is a carbon copy of the DJI Mini2 Southeast. Only it comes with higher resolution 4K video to the Mini2 Southeast 2.7K video. The Mini4K also shoots 2.7K up to 60 fps in video bitrates or higher, so its videos are less compressed, plus you get a 2x digital zoom. Otherwise, the drones are identical. A regulator-friendly 246 grams takeoff weight, 3-axis gimbal, and stable flight performance considering the tiny size. If money is no object, the Mini4 Pro is the best beginner drone you can buy. It has omnidirectional object avoidance and advanced follow-me subject tracking, plus a larger sensor and slightly better image quality overall. If you're typically gung-ho, you might get into a few scrapes flying the Mini4K given a lack of obstacle avoidance or need to be extra cautious to avoid objects, especially when flying over bodies of water. However, The Mini4K is admirably robust and a third of the price of the Mini4 Pro, while being equally capable in many ways. Its battery life is excellent. Despite not fulfilling the 31-minute measured times, it can go longer than rivals. Plus, DJI's quick shots flight moves get you dynamic video sequences around your chosen subject. Number 1 in my list is DJI Mini4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus Drone. With a lightweight build and pro-grade features, the DJI Mini4 Pro was previously our favorite drone. The Mini4 Pro builds on its qualities to deliver an even better experience, albeit not a radically different one. If you already own a Mini4 Pro, it probably doesn't justify an upgrade. But if you're switching from a different model or buying your first mini-series drone, it's an excellent choice. Its small, folding design is almost identical to the Mini4 Pro, as is the regulation-friendly 249-gram takeoff weight. Also, the same is the 1x1.3-inch sensor, which still delivers excellent image quality. Thanks to processing updates, we found it even better at handling noise in low light. Serious videographers will also welcome the new DJI M color profile, which offers great consistency with the Mavic 3. Obstacle avoidance is now omnidirectional, meaning the Mini4 Pro is even safer than its predecessor when it comes to operating indoors or near trees. We also found Active Track 360-degree highly effective, making it an easy drone for beginners to fly confidently. If you can afford the DJI RC2 controller option, you'll have the best backpack-friendly drone bundle. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day, and see you soon in the next video.